Hey guys, welcome to a new video. On today's video, we have the OnePlus Nord N100. So that's a pretty long model, right? I'll leave it on the description. We have a broken screen. We have the brand new screen right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the screen on this phone. Stay tuned for more. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notification for the new videos. Thank you. All right, guys. So we're gonna start by removing the back cover so we gain access to the motherboard. All right, I'm gonna turn on my little equipment right here. If you guys don't have this type of equipment, you can always use a hair dryer or like a heat gun. If you guys have a heat gun, we're gonna hit this phone a little bit on the back so the adhesive get loose, and we are gonna be able to extract this back cover from it. All right, guys, we got a good temperature here. I advise you not to heat this too much because the back cover is plastic. I'm gonna use my razor blade just to gain a little grip on between the back and the middle frame. So just like that, I have a little opening, and then I have one of these plastic playing cards. Then I'm gonna use to go all the way around this. So you see, I got a little access. Then I can slide my business card in there. So this is pretty easy to remove, guys. As you guys can see, the adhesive probably is not as strong. We can peel it off, you see. After that, we can just kind of peel it off. Just be careful, don't like overdo it. Another advice that I give you, you see, guys, we have the fingerprint right here. So we're gonna push it down. We're gonna push that circle down with our thumb while we pull the back cover. As you guys can see, we just to avoid, like, if there is any cable connection for that fingerprint, we are not gonna break it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm pushing it in while I pull these out. So all right, we're doing good, and boom. You see, that's how you open, basically that's how you remove the back cover on the Nord N100. Let's just put that on the side. So I'm gonna remove the SIM tray. This is gonna be on our way, so let's just put that on the side. All right, now we're gonna remove all the screws. Just use a Phillips screwdriver and remove all the screws. That's all the screws. Now I'm gonna grab my razor blade again. I'm gonna grab it and go and just remove the middle frame. Now we're gonna remove the middle frame. I always go by around this area because I think it's like a weak point for all these builds on these phones. All right, we're gonna go all the way around, just like unclipping this middle frame. All right, now we got this oh, we're missing one right here. The watermark sticker is covering another screw right there. All right, that will be the last one, and we are able to remove the middle frame. We are going to unplug the battery. So battery should be unplugged. We're gonna grab our new screen and we are going to connect it just to make sure the part we got is the right part. All we gotta do is let it turn on, and we like interact a little bit with the touch. That's about it. We know the touch is working. So unplug the battery, unplug the new screen, put it on the side. We don't need it right now. We have to remove the battery right now. Okay, we have a little sticker right here that is showing that if we pull it, we are able to remove the battery. How true that is, let's try to do it. All right, seems like it's coming out. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Yeah. That's how you remove the battery. Okay, now we have exposed the cable for the LCD. At this point, we are going to heat this phone again. Let's just heat this up, and we're gonna be able to extract the broken screen. I'll be right back. All right, we're going to start. This is hot enough. I'm gonna grab my razor blade again. I'm gonna start to remove this panel. There we go. It just came off because all the pieces of glass are staying on the frame, which is not that good because now we have to clean it. All right, let's see. From the back, we have this. From the back, we have this plastic. You have two options. You can cut it off right here, which I think I will do. So I'm not gonna remove it. You can see, just cut that piece of glass. I mean the plastic right there, and you can peel it off. There you go. Boom. That's how we remove the front screen. Don't forget here to grab the ear mesh, because we have that ear mesh in there. We're gonna use it for the new screen, so I'm gonna just grab it. It's gonna look like that. We're gonna use that for the new screen. Okay, just put it on the side. We have to clean all the leftovers. You see, all the little pieces of glass. We cannot install the other screen without removing all these pieces of glass. All right, now it's nice and clean. What I'm gonna do is grab a toothbrush and just brush it out. Make sure there is no pieces of glass laying on the middle, because when I install the new screen, I don't want any surprise. Now we are ready to install the new screen. We have liquid adhesive that we're gonna use for this installation. It's right here. I use the N100. We're gonna apply all around the frame. So we're gonna be really careful, because you see the edges where the screen is gonna be holding on to are really narrow. Let's do that. There we go. And now we're going to proceed to install the new screen. We're gonna grab our new screen right here, and remember, we're going to put the ear mesh. The best way to do it is to put it back on the frame. Let's just slide our cable through there in between and just align the screen and just let it fall. And we are going to use clamps just to make sure the screen is tight and it don't go nowhere. Meanwhile, the glue is drying, so just leave it there for a few minutes and we'll be right back. All right, guys, this phone is already dried. The glue have dried, so let's remove our clamps. Okay, I'm going to connect that cable for the LCD to the motherboard. And probably the first thing we're gonna do is install the battery. Let's just make sure the battery goes in between there, and there we go. Gonna wrap it. Nothing happened here. So, all right, that's how you put the battery back. At this point, we have basically finished. So I'm gonna plug in the battery. There we go. And we are going to put the middle frame first. We're going to put the middle frame back into the phone. I'm gonna start from the bottom. There we go. Just make sure everything clips on. There you go. Nice. All right, the whole frame is back on place. And we're gonna put all the screws back into the phone. right, all the screws are back in place. This one is almost complete. Now we gonna install the back cover. I'm going to apply a little bit of also adhesive, just to make sure nothing is like gonna fall apart after I put this phone back together. That will be the time to install the back cover. There we go. Just make sure it's centered and just push it back on place. There we go, guys. See, last thing we actually gonna do on this phone is install the SIM tray. All right, that's it. We're gonna push to start. Boom, there we go, guys. Another repair done. Here we have the old screen. This was before and this is after. We're gonna wait for it to turn on. We have this plastic cover right here. And there you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you back in the next video, and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Happy repair, guys. I'll see you back in the next video. Bye.